How to add Google Maps link on Canva. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily link up Google Maps on Canva. First off, head over to canva.com on your web browser, and then open up any project where you want to add Google Maps. It's quite an easy process, so I'm going to open this presentation right here. What you're going to have to do next is to make your design interactive, just select a page. So I'm going to add a page at the end of my presentation. Go to apps, and then here you can just search for Google Maps. Once you get to the app section, search for Canva apps. I'm going to search for Google Maps and then click on the first one right here. Once you click on it, open it up, and you'll find different kind of templates right here. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, there are a lot of options. So let's say if I just add this link right here, Taj Mahal, I'm going to add this here. By default, it will be the location, but if you want to add your own location, you can double click to interact. As you can see, you can move around the map from here. So just wait for a bit. Once you have done that, in order to add your own location, what you're going to have to do is open your own maps, maps.google.com, wait for a bit. And as you can see, if you double click on the map, you can interact with it and make it move. So if you want to add your own location, go to Google Maps. Let's say if I want the location for this point right here, what I'm going to do is click on this and then click on share. From here, I'm going to copy the link, go back to Canva, to your design, right click on it, or just go ahead and click on this. You'll find the edit option, click on edit link and paste the link that you've just copied here. And once you click on done, it will automatically recognize the link and pinpoint the location that you just copied. So you can make it big, double click on it, and you can interact with the map here. So once that is done, you can either share this as a PDF or PNG, but it will also be something like exported as an image. But if you want the map to be interactive, what you can do is go to share and then click on this public view link. Now, once you share this create public view link and then copy this and share it, people will be able to interact with the map as well. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.